All right, I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to clean the Cyclones on your Dyson. These can get pretty built up with debris and can affect the performance. So basically, you're going to want to take the filter out first. Most Dysons has a little flip top like that. And we just take the filter out. Next, we're going to disconnect this section from the canister. It's pretty much the same for a lot of Dysons. You want to push this big button down and it will reveal another button there. And that's the one you have to press in order to release it. All right, so that is the unit we're going to be using some kind of blower on. I'm going to use a leaf blower. Some vacuums have a blowing function. If you have a wet dry vac, it might.